Hello smart people, welcome back to this comments class. In today's video, I want to show you a website which I discovered today where you can grab all your AI tools at one place. Okay, so let's go to Google and search for Futurepedia. When you click on enter, you click on the first link. It will take you to their website, futurepedia.io. Okay, we are on their website. So Futurepedia is the largest AI tools directory which is updated daily. Okay, meaning all the AI tools we have now, when you come to this website, you are going to see all of them here and you can access them. Whether the paid or the free ones, you get all. Okay, so on the menu we have the favorites. When you log in and when you select the AI you want or the ones you'll be using, you can favorite it. So when you come to the website, you just go to the favorite and you see it there. And we have the discovery. That is the new AI that have come in the market or in town now. Okay, and we have the submit if you want to submit your AI tool, and we have the community where you see the news feed and also other issues and or platforms, and you can log in also. Okay, so let's go back. So today we have 10 added AI tool. So when you click on it, you can see today March 1st. Okay, we have the Ask AI, we have the Chase GPT, we have the unschooler.me. So we have updated AI on this website. We have the free and also the paid one. Okay, let's go back. And we have the news added today. On this website, I can say we have over 1000 AI tools which you can search through. We have the filter, and we have the categories where you can select whether the 3D, the art, the audio editing, avatars, code assistance, copywriting. Okay, so when we go down now, we see the AIs. You can see the chat GPT. There's one in town now. We see the sheet AI. I think it will be for Excel. Okay, so available for Google Sheet. Okay, yeah. We have the at creative.ai and we have the marketing. Okay, so we have a lot. My favorite one, the durable. Okay. Okay, so we have the predict AI. We have the dream interpreter. So it's a dream interpreter built with chat or GPT-3. Ask it the meaning of your dream. Hey, okay. So you can try that. It will interpret your dreams for you. Wow. And we have the Magic Studio where you can remove your background image. Okay, we have a lot. We have the Nameless where to generate a short brandable business name using AI. And we have the copy.ai. Okay, it's also copyright or generate high quality copy for you. Okay, so let's click on one and see how it looks like. Let's click on the chat GPT. Okay, so the chat GPT, when you click on it, it brings you to their platform where you can start using it. So say hi to my smart people. Okay. Okay, so hello to all smart people out there. How can I assist you today? will come back to you. So let's go back. And let's go to the filter. So the filter, we have the free trial, we have the contact for pricing, we have the freemium, we have the paid, we have the deal. Okay, so let's go to the free and let's filter. So we see the AIs which are free we can use. Okay, so all these are free. Dream interpreter, I'll try that. Okay, we have the AI data sidekick. Okay, we have the terminal AI where to. Okay, so this website is about helping people find interesting and fun places to visit. We have the mass AI. Okay, so the mass AI also attention for all developers. Okay, we have a lot of AIs here. As I said, it's over 1,000. So you can try this website called the Futurepedia, where you find all your AIs at one place with no stress. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment. See you on the next video. Peace.